What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Dance Dojo, the best place for salsa and bachata dancers who want to improve and have more fun with their dance partners. Today's video is all about helping you practice your fundamentals at home, alone. You don't need a partner, and this practice is something you can do every day, regardless of your level, to help you keep improving. Now, I'm going to show you some basics that you might already know, but in a way that you don't usually practice. So the idea here is to open your salsa mind, expand how you approach things. And guys, remember, pros are pros because they practice their basics every day. All right, let's go. Follow along with me. All right, guys, here we go with some basics. We're gonna try things that you probably already know, but in traveling around the floor and trying some new directions and angles. So here we go, we're dancing on 1, 5, 6, 7, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. At the end of the intro, there's gonna be a timing switch. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Let's go to the left. Nice small movements in the direction you want to go. To the right. Now let's go to the front. I'm just going to turn around. Forward. And to the back. Back to the middle. Rotate to the right. Rotate to the left. Let's do side basic. And to the left. Push to the left. Push to the left. Push to the left. Let's go to the right. Push to the right. Push to the right. Push to the right. And back to the middle. Let's go forwards. And back. Rotating to the right. Easiest to rotate when you bring your feet back together in the center. To the left. Back break. Let's go to the left. As you travel, you can hook to the back a little bit, or cross behind, better said. To the right. Back to the middle. Let's go forward. And back. Nice small movements, progressing the direction you want to go. To the right. Forward basic. To the left. To the right. Back to the middle. Let's go forward. And back. Rotating to the right. And front to back basic. To the left. Crossing back. To the right. I'm going to turn. We can go forward, progress forward, progress forward, progress forward. Now let's go back. Progress back. Progress back. Back to the middle. Let's try rotating. Again, rotate when your feet come to the center. Usually the easiest point. To the left. You can also use your back brake to change your direction. And make a little V shape. Back to the front. And there we go. All right, let's speed it up a little bit with Benny Moré and have some fun and do it all over again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. To the left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. To the right. To the front. To the back. Back to the middle. Rotating. To the left. Side basic. To the left. And let's go to the right. Back to the middle, to the front. If you want, you can cross, or just do it normally. To the back. Rotating. To the left. Back brake. To the left. To the right. To the front. To the back. Rotating. Front basic. To the left. To the right. To the front. To the back. Rotating. Front basic. Front and back basic. To the left. To the right. I'm just going to turn to the side. Let's go to the front. And progress. And progress. To the back. And progress to the back. Progress to the back. And we're done. Now you have a practice routine you can do to any song at any speed and practice your basics. I hope this helped open your mind and become more aware of how to practice your basics, different directions, different angles, so you can always be improving. If you enjoyed this, hit that subscribe button and the like button. Salsa isn't just about right angles. You can use all the directions and angles in between. And it's going to become very useful in your partner work. Now, I have a question for you. What is your biggest challenge or struggle that you have right now in learning to salsa? I'm always looking for new video ideas, so I might just make a video about it. And if you love the level of depth in this video, you're going to love our online courses. Can't tell you how many people have approached us saying they're just ready to give up on learning the salsa, and our courses were able to totally change the game for them. So if you're struggling, don't give up. There is hope, there is a way. Try a new way to learn salsa with us. You can try it free for a week. There's a link in the description below, and we're constantly surprising people with how easy it is to learn online and how much you can really improve. So give it a try, guys. You're gonna love it. And while you're waiting for next week's video, check out some of these videos that are popping up here. Follow us on Instagram or Facebook at The Dance Dojo. Thanks so much for learning with me, guys. I will catch you in the next video. Peace.